Pilates Deluxe Pilates Mat. Best Pilates Mat. A Pilates mat is much similar to a yoga mat. It essentially is a place to practice your choice of workout on. This Pilates mat by STOTT Pilates is a great addition to a Pilates home gym or even as the first equipment of choice to a newbie practitioner. This mat is thick, measuring 15 millimeters. Due to the thickness, users may find the mat to be very comfortable. It is also suited for elderly people looking to stay active. The mat is also made with durable material and is built for long-term regular use. Pilates mats are also very storable and portable, thus allowing you to practice your art anywhere. The only drawback, as with many other mats, is that if things are placed on top of them, it creates a permanent dent, so you'll want to ensure that this mat is stored away from heavier Pilates equipment and not used as a mat for other things. Due to the build of this mat, users may find that it is easy to clean using water and a few drops of essential oils. Pros: easy to clean, very thick, great for the elderly. Cons: easy to dent.